Welcome the management of KPI Green Energy to talk to us about their business, Mr. Faruk G. Patel, the CMD of the company is with us now. Mr. Patel, hi, good to have you on the show. We understand that recently the company has bagged an order of almost 5 megawatt. Talk to us about the execution timeline. What would be the revenue of this and what does it take your total order book to?
Very good afternoon to you all. It's a 4.66 to be very specified. The new order is, and the cumulative of this quarter order is 79.92 altogether in this quarter, and we are reaching to the 967.85 megawatt, which is the KPI all order book till 2025. We are reaching to the goal of 1000 megawatt, and the recently order, as you mentioned, 4.66 is near about 20 more CR into the revenue side.
Okay, so that point is taken. But overall, given the kind of demand environment that we are seeing on the ground, what would be your understanding in terms of how the industry is really panning out? Because for yourself as well, the revenue jump in the first half of the year has been very strong at 40% plus. Profitability has gone up by 57%. Is this something that can be sustainable going forward as well?
Of course, renewable energy is the future for all of us, and because of that, of course, what we are getting the orders and all. I think the order is going bigger and bigger, and we are initially we put the target by 2025 calendar year, but it is now postponed to the March 25. So 9 months before we are reaching to our target. That shows the solidity and the sustainability of the renewable energy sector that you can see, and that is a need also for the human that also works.
Sure. So, given all of this, what will be your revenue look like, let's say, by end of FY25? Because this year in the first half, you've done 400 crores. I'm guessing you'll be somewhere between 800 to 1000 crore by the end of this year. What about FY25?
FY24, first we talk that we try to reach to the four figure in revenue terms, and we try to be across the 150 in the PAT level in 24, and the 25 FY25 it may goes to the 50% more than the 24, that we can assure to the our people, and our internally targets are.
Sure, so point taken. But what about expanding beyond Gujarat? Because right now, of course, your presence is only limited to Gujarat. And also, if you can quickly tell me a word on the land acquisition strategy, because you have a decent land bank already.
We have a very good land bank in the Gujarat, and we are trying to do that all the things in other state of the state say country, like Rajasthan and the other part of the country like UP and all, and South also. So strategy is always start from the for example from today, and it will come into the revenue after 3 years, that we all know. This land bank what you are watching into the kitty is 100 acre. It's not today's or yesterday's land. It is years back we have purchased the land and all the things. So you can say that we have started already, and we have planned to go out of Gujarat also, and in fact out of country also, to do the more work in the KP group.
Okay, so you're looking at getting out of Gujarat and internationally as well. But I wanted your words, since you are, of course, part of this ecosystem. Seems like the PV prices or the module prices have crashed quite strongly across the globe. What's your understanding of how the prices are likely to trend from here on, and what does it do to your business, your margins?
See, of course, the PV prices when goes down, of course, it make you more comfortable into the profit, and comfortable for the other off-taker of the renewable power also. So that is the I think PV prices will little bit go down from now also. That is our understanding, because the production is very high in the China and the other part of the world also. So that makes some sensible move for the renewable energy people. And the as our company concerned, we are not into the manufacturing of the panel. We are procuring the panel and we are securing our profit. If the goes down, that good for the us and good for the renewable energy consumer also.
So it's a good news coming in, at least for the user of it. Thank you, Mr. Patel, for making time and speaking with us. But with that, completely out of time in this edition of the show.